Okay, welcome Bayside members. My name is Bryce Young. I'm the Assistant Golf Pro here. Today we're going to go through a tutorial with your new online golf shop. So as you can see, I've already clicked the link and I am at the enter password stage. So once you click the link, this is the page that's going to show up. And once we get here, don't be alarmed that it says coming soon. We wanted to make sure that it was for members only, so I made it password protected. So up in the top right hand corner here, we're going to enter using password, and then we're just going to type in Bayside, all lowercase, no caps, no space. It's just Bayside, all lowercase. Click enter here, and then that'll take us to the home screen. You can see I've got a couple little tidbits of information up here. The red ribbon up here states that it's just this online shop is just to browse our merchandise. You're not going to place any orders via this online site. You will call the pro shop to place your order. Okay, and so we're on the home screen, a couple tidbits, and then we scroll down, we see the special order tidbit. If you see something you like and we don't have your size, we can always special order it for you. And then so let's go over here. If you're on a computer, you'll see this home and catalog option up here on the top screen. If you're on your phone, there's going to be a menu bar over here on the top right screen where you can select, and then you'll see the home and catalog option there. When we go to our catalog option, that is where we see all the merchandise. So all the merchandise that we have in the golf shop is going to be loaded on here, and you can select select whichever item that you want. So say you're looking at this Adidas Polo. This is the screen that comes up when you select on your item. You're not going to add it to your cart as we spoke about before. You will call the golf shop and just say, I want the Adidas Polo number 2, and then select down here. You can see what sizes we have in that particular item, and then you can say, I want the Adidas Polo number 2 in a size large. And then we would get that ready for you, and then as soon as you got here, give us a call in the golf shop, and we will run it out to you. So just a little something that maybe hopefully we can move some merchandise here. Trying to get back to some sort of normalcy with this COVID-19 stuff. I hope everyone's staying safe out there. And if you have any questions, please let us know in the golf shop. Phone number is 302-436-3400, extension 1. And once again, stay safe out there, and let's try to get back to normal.